AirPods. I have two AirPods and this is insane. This thing costs like $159. Oh my goodness, it is so expensive. But if you have AirPods, I will tell you how to make your AirPod into a Bluetooth microphone for free. This is not a Bluetooth microphone, it's a wireless microphone. No, it's not. It is a wired microphone. Wireless is Bluetooth. So today I will teach you how to make your iPhone microphone, whatever this is, AirPod into a Bluetooth microphone for free, because there is apps on the App Store. It costs money to make this microphone wireless. So I don't know why the microphone doesn't work wireless when you record from the camera app. Like, that is strange. So all you have to do is you need to have a Apple device, because this is AirPod, you know, a slate. Go to your home screen. Let me just turn up the brightness because you cannot see anything right here right now. First thing you need to do is connect your Bluetooth earphone to the microphone. I mean, you need to connect this to your iPhone. So let me just go to setting and connect it via Wi-Fi. I mean via Bluetooth. This is my microphone, but let me just set it all the way over there. I'm sorry if you can hear me less, but it is fine. Hello. The CD works, that means it is connected. That's good. So all you have to do is swipe up from the corner. If you see this record button, just hold on to it. Turn on the microphone. When you turn on the microphone, just start recording. It will record in 3 seconds. When it shows the red thing right there in the top or right here, it is recording. So your Bluetooth is recording in your iPad. Let me just get out of the room and still talk. Like, don't leave the video, guys. So hello, what's up, guys? How are you doing? Let me just leave out of this room. The Bluetooth is disconnected, and let's go to the camera app to see the video. So here is the video, and let's see if the Wi-Fi works. Yeah, this is our date, and I'm in the kitchen. And I'm in the kitchen. I was right outside in the kitchen, and the Bluetooth earphone definitely worked. And this is how you record your voice. Bluetooth, you know what I mean? This is kind of weird because you cannot record your face. And I have a trick for you guys. Let me just wear my earphone. Since you might not hear me, let me just wear my earphone. So what you have to do is, I have two iPads. This iPad and the iPad that I'm recording right now. So what you need to do is record from one iPad and record the voice from another iPad, and you can make a Bluetooth. You can make a, you know what I mean, Bluetooth microphone. And all you have to do is upload the video, the recording from here in YouTube, and download it from another device. That is how you transfer the video file and edit the video like me. I don't do this. Like, if you do a prank video on YouTube, you can do this Bluetooth thing. You can put your iPhone in the pocket, record the screen and record the Bluetooth, and upload that video clip, the voice, to the YouTube in unlisted mode, and you can download from another device and plug the voice into the video. Like, it is awesome. That is how you make a Bluetooth wireless for free, because using some apps it is require money like $5. It is so strange. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna make more earphone videos that will help you guys make a better video on YouTube if you are a YouTuber. See ya next time, guys. Not going out. What's up, guys? How are you guys? How are you? We are gonna tell you how to get a microphone for free Bluetooth.